Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 BMW 535 xDrive. This one is a Dakota Gray Metallic. Underneath it is an inline 6 3-liter turbo pushing out 300 horsepower and 300 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. Black leather interior with a wood trim sunroof. xDrive 535 badging. Opening up the tailgate. Clean out all season floor mats. Premium package. Power windows, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera with sensors. Hard keys for a media display. Dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This 5 Series has 80,938 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW 535i xDrive, check out feldmanimports.com.